Check out these AI Instagram models who have millions of subscribers and possibly earn thousands of dollars per post. In this video, I will guide you on how you can create similar types of AI models by following some simple steps. Let's get started. The first step to creating a consistent Instagram model is to conceptualize the character. Here's the detailed profile I envisioned for my AI model. With this profile in mind, I can go to a site called apop.ai to create my AI influencer for free. All I need to do is sign up using my email. Once I am logged in, I can click on this button that says Create Portrait Model. Now, if you already have an image of your AI influencer, you can click here to upload that image as your model's reference image. In my case, I will use APOP to generate my AI influencer. So, I will click on this option. Now, I will set all the features of my AI influencer. Next, I will hit the Generate button and wait for my AI influencer to come to life. As you can see, my AI influencer is ready and it is just like how I envisioned her. Now, I will select this image as a reference image. Next, I can give my model a name and a short description. Finally, I can hit this button to successfully create my image model. Now you can make your model public or private by toggling this button. I will make mine private. Now that my AI influencer is created, I need to make some images and videos in multiple scenarios while keeping the character consistent. To do that, I can use these features APOP offers. I can use Build Your Own to write a scenario and select a style or environment. Let's hit the Generate button and wait for the result. When the generation is complete, I can view the images, upscale them, and also convert them into videos. The image to video feature is relatively new and I think it needs a lot of improvements. Plus, it's a bit strange that the hair color of my model is not silver. If you're good at prompting, you can use the Expert feature to write a detailed prompt. A detailed prompt always gives you a better result. You can also completely avoid prompting and use this complete set to generate images in various scenarios with your model. Another cool thing you can do is upload an image or video of others and swap faces with your model. Select the quality to Ultra for the best result. Now, the video face swap worked great, but there is a slight inconsistency in the left eyebrow. So, be aware of such minor flaws and use them to your advantage. As for the image face swap, I think it works great. Finally, you can also make talking avatar videos with your model.
Imagine uploading one photo and witnessing the birth of your digital doppelganger. Your digital replica can star in an array of content, from vibrant images to engaging videos, capturing your unique presence.
In terms of pricing, you can get 80 credits daily in the free plan and generate content with a watermark. If you like the tool and want more features, you can upgrade to one of the paid plans. In that case, click on my exclusive link in the video description, sign up, and use the code NADIM15 for a 15% discount. So there you have it, an AI tool that can create AI Instagram influencers. Let me know your thoughts about this tool in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with others. And if you want to see more videos on the latest AI tools and insights, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.